For the first time, both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max feature a titanium-based construction. A man who has first-hand experience with the S24 Ultra states, as far as he is concerned, the titanium on the S24 Ultra surpasses that of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. He is specifically referring to the titanium gray S24 Ultra model. Furthermore, he underscores the fact that notwithstanding Samsung's decision to adopt a more neutral aesthetic, the phone nonetheless offers a gratifying and comfortable hold. In terms of durability, the S24 Ultra now surpasses the most recent iPhone. Although both devices feature a titanium frame, Samsung's Gorilla Glass armor is reportedly more durable than its predecessor. A highlight of the S24 lineup is the AI Live Translate call, which enables a telephone conversation between two individuals who speak different languages by instantly translating what each person says into the other's language. At this time, many individuals believe that Samsung would imitate Apple and limit this feature to Samsung devices only. It transpires that this is not the case. According to Nikkei Asia, this functionality will continue to operate without interruption even when a Galaxy S24 device is in a phone conversation with a user of a different brand's device, such as an iPhone or Pixel. Notable is the efficacy of this translation function, which eradicates the delay that was inherent in prior cloud-based call translation applications. Recent disclosures concerning the pricing structure of the S24 lineup in Europe represent a favorable advancement. Samsung has made the strategic decision to decrease prices by €50 in comparison to the preceding year. Moreover, does that hold true for other nations as well? According to ICE Universe, it appears probable that he has also obtained information from a reliable source suggesting that the prices of the S24 assortment will be reduced. Anticipated high levels of stock for the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus indicate Samsung's strong belief in the lineup. It might also reduce the price of its products in an effort to attract more customers. Additionally, it is commendable that Samsung will not use the price of the hardware to fund AI features that will undoubtedly be expensive. In any case, Samsung has abruptly decided to eliminate this essential feature from the S24 Ultra. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.